I've always been a curious person, and being in security, it's all about curiosity. Finding out what's next. Identity is something I have to pay attention to differently today than maybe I did before. I'm protecting intellectual property, and that's where the crown jewels are. Great, but the first question you're going to ask about protecting the crown jewels is, who should have access? Why should they have access? When should they have access?
We're a 24/7 shop in numerous countries around the world supporting thousands of people. So identity management is key to everything that we do.
Believe it or not, salespeople forget their passwords. I know it's a shock, but they do. They got frustrated when they couldn't get into our CRM systems and other tools. And you don't want that. Frustrated salespeople don't go make good sales.
There was one time I can remember hitting sign on 5 times, right?
We had people spending 17 minutes a day logging into applications. Globally for us, you add that up across 140,000 people, that's a lot of time. A lot of time we could be spending with clients.
I think it was 2018 that we started the Zero Trust journey, and having Okta play the foundation role of that Zero Trust journey has made it easy.
40% of the highest ticket class we had was eradicated through our Zero Trust journey.
Anything that simplifies our lives, bring it. I'm ready for it. Our CRM is connected to roughly 30 other applications. Single sign-on is used to access almost every one of those third-party applications as well through Okta.
Okta gives me the freedom to adapt. And for our business, with growth and acquisitions, having that adaptability, that's been a huge win for us.
Okta and the M&As has allowed us to scale so fast.
The longer you don't integrate the people into those tools, the more those people feel separated.
Am I going to have a laptop? Do I have a login? Do I understand my password?
Come day one, those acquisitions have access to what they need to get their job done to be part of the NTT data family.
We had to allow our workforce to be productive anywhere, at any time, on any device. Knowing that we are going to base our security paradigm around our person, right? The identity itself is literally the lifeblood and the brain of how we're going to live up to the trust that we built with our clients.
If the CIO is stagnant or not thinking about a partner like Okta or a Zero Trust solution, they need to go find another job.
Okta gives me the freedom to not worry about security. Part of that identity is in our HR system, and I want that protected.
I have a whole slew of things I worry about on my daily operations call. But, the great thing about it is we don't talk about Okta. You know why? Because Okta's up 24/7.